live again. Looking at news release in about 10 minutes. We got GBP coming out. And flash PMI services. And core price index, PCE core price index. Flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. Be in an hour after that. So we had, from what we outlined in London, a rejection at this order block in NQ. Let's start off with the dollar first. We had the dollar trading lower. Again, red yesterday's high. And we're looking to possibly trade down into this short-term low on the dollar. Inside of this new day opening gap. Again, I want to see it get below that short-term low. Nas, we're looking real good. We're looking real poised to trade below previous week's low, or previous day's low, matter of fact. Looking for this to stay open, or this rejection to happen right there. We got same with S&P. I want to see it trade below its previous day's low. Get that change in the state of delivery on the higher time frame. Get back below this red line and shift structure to the downside. Looking at the same thing pretty much on Dow, gold coming back. Gold trading back to the weekly opening gap and week open. Want to see it punch through, and we reach for this high to set the high, Friday high of the week. We got Tuesday low of the week. It's at Friday's high. So you're seeing what that looks like. Silver still bullish. to see how much of this we can fill in. Possibly up into here. What's this blue line? Okay. Previous quarter's high right here. We're gonna see if we can get to that. You see where's the ADR at on? Just above the ADR February open. That's a very strong push, but it's possible. I like previous quarter's high to see some draw to there. Oil. Doing what it do. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. I think right now though, ES, like, I like this idea right here, this short, and it's starting to trade up above a little bit, back up into that. We do have the range formed here. So you could possibly see something higher, but I like this right here. This is like, is more than enough. Possibly just short it from here. I have to see the lower time frame. We're dropping down 15 minute. We have any SMT right here. We have no SMT currently right now. Yeah, I definitely like shorts. Definitely. We got a SMT forming right here, right now. See if got 30 seconds until the news release. We do have a 5-minute change in the state of delivery. And we missed it. If I get any measure a movement back higher up into here, or even into the bottom of this 23. GBP's down. Oh, that's tough. That's tough right there. That was the short. That was the short right there. Oh, dollar has taken that short-term low. Now it's running back higher. Gold ran back into the previous week's lower the new opening gap and is now started to trade lower again. Previous day's low ran. And the thing about this is that that is so frustrating. I'd have been needing to look on a 15-second though. Or just the fact that it came back up into here and started to trade lower. Still on a 1 hour, that's the gap that you would want it to trade into. That was the Judas swing for the news release here one more time, and then take it lower. In and out just like that. I think I'm gonna take this. Let's see if I get a little bit higher move up into back into there, and I probably will not. Come on, you know what you to come and say. This would have been a golden trade. You don't even need to see too much. Bang. And it's gonna keep running until we get below 6,852. Imagine if I shorted up there. Wild. Wild. From yesterday or from earlier this morning. Crazy. Man, this is a good looking trade. Exactly how I wanted to see it. Just couldn't get in. Let me see now. This 652 has been hit. See if it'll run lower, run below 68.52 to get that previous day's low on ES. Man, it's a beautiful, beautiful trade. 700 still looks good. I want to see if I could get. I'm getting something up out of this. I want to see if Nasdaq could trade a little higher for me. Give me a better entry here at this in this lower half of the range. That was so obvious. That was obvious as hell. Back in the breaker. Great play. Great play. Back into that 5-minute breaker. Run the stops. Fair value gap. Shift and structure here. Boom. Entry here. Run it. Alright, looks like we about to get a shift in structure on ES. On Nasdaq. So I'm looking at the 15-second chart though on my other screen. We got a 15-second shift in structure. I bought one there.
Order filled.
Below the lows that was ran. 722.
Order filled.
Bought one more. Reducing my risk to 24,730. I want to see if we can get above this previous days. Low. get some momentum higher back into 758. 758 has just been taken. I'm going to reduce my risk some more. Now at 736 for my low, or my stop loss. And that's possibly where I should have shorted. We're gonna see if price can get back above this. We got 1 minute. We got about 2 minutes and a half until this 5-minute candle closes. $768 is where I want to look to shave something possibly. Five-minute candle closure. Again, if I get 768, I'm going break even. Well, if we take this high, if we trade above 759, I'm going break even. You probably may not get it though. Let's see if it gets back above here. Make that way 759. We go break even. 750. 754. We going break even right now. It just took a short-term high on 15 second. I want to see it up right here, up right here. Push it, push it, push it, push it. 759, 760. We got it. Come on, push. Push, Nas. We selling one at 760. We selling one at 760.
Order filled.
All right, we now short one. We long one contract now. Stops at break even. Just let this run. I would love to see now. I got seven. There. We just letting it run now. I want 795. I can get to even 790. We might not get there though, as at this point, price can do whatever it wants to do. I'm gonna move it just below this fair value gap here. And continue to make that push. You know, 15 minute, you got that gap right there. Could possibly see 748. I'm at 747. One minute into the candle, into the new hourly candle. I still like that 706. Just building into a premium now. See what's gonna happen. We get above this high, I'm gonna move my stop again. Just trail stops at this point. I wanna see a strong candle closure above here. above it. Stops moved to, trailing my stop to 24.754 now. And I want to be out at the week opening. Let's just see. I'm a trail it aggressively once we get to this weekly open. Ultimately, though, I still want the high at 795. Gold is up crazy right now. Getting a deep retracement lower. Might be getting stopped out. Price get back above here. I'm trailing my stop again. See if it can get above this fair value gap. Trailing my stop again. Price can get back and close above that. I want it above. I want it above the fair value gap. Got me wanting to buy again, man. I should. Trail my stop again to 24.759. So they take it. Ooh, they teasing it. Let's see if we can get it up right here. They teased it. The fair value gap hold right here. We're now in an area where it could possibly consolidate for a while until this fair value gap breaks or this fair value gap breaks. Whichever one breaks first. And that one broke. So we want to see price get higher right here. Price gets higher here. I move my stop again. And to be honest with you, I remove 795 and just completely trail aggressively. We getting close to 790. So I want to see what that looks like. I want to see price hold here. Like again, this fair value gap. I want to see it. It's already been filled completely. I want to see price back up into here. You see we got a change. We got a SMT on the 5 minute. Small but noticeable. You got this small fair value gap right here, whereas ES has taken it. It had tapped into that fair value gap and started to trade lower. Nasdaq has not traded up into its level, which was at 794. So we just taken out of that trade at 759.75. It was strictly a play for 15-second time frame. Haven't really been comfortable with trading 15 seconds to move so fast, but I'm starting to get the hang of it, because it's all price action at the end of the day. Price is fractal, and so if you nimble in on your game enough, so like right now I want to be looking for shorts back down to 721 possibly and lower. Gonna sell
order
here.
Filled.
Going short here. Stop loss is at 770. I want to see if I can get back below the low made at 547. I'm not adding no more contracts to this either. We're just gonna let this run. I'm not gonna scale into my position. Just move my stop and let price do its thing. We're now at that previous day low. So I want to see some willingness to get below here again. Use it as support for lower prices. We are below it now. Again, the reason why I'm anticipating a lower Dow is that ES has not taken its previous day's low, and we also are close to that low on on ES as well at 700. So I want to see if we can get below there. See if the opening bell can take us below that. 701, so $24,700 even. Price is looking real good. We're gonna get this move back below these lows. 737 right now. I go break even once we get below 730. And we are break even now. That boy good. That boy good. Man. Just want to see it keep trending lower. New 5-minute, new 15-minute candle open as well. Let me see where we at with that. It looks good. Looks good. Again, we poised for that 700. We poised for that run to 700. $720 right now. These are the trades that when you know, you wait, you stay patient, and you let price do its thing. I would like to see that low be taken before opening bell. Maybe we might just opening bell might send it lower. Five-minute candle about to close. We back below that low. Again, the delivery. We looking for 700. We about 10 minutes from the opening bell. Price is now consolidating. We want to see it break that low. The low of the candle that just formed. We're getting good fair value gaps in price. This is just send it to that 700. Smooth like butter. Smooth like butter. Run down. Fast, not slow. Bang.
Order filled.
And we are out. That is the business of it all. That is the business of it all. I'm done. Great trades today. That is the business. We move.